Welcome back, everyone. The tax filing season is set to begin this Friday, February 12th, and the IRS have outlined steps to speed refunds during the pandemic. The IRS suggests that people file electronically and use direct deposit for the quickest refunds. Also, check irs.gov for the latest tax information, including the latest on economic impact payments. The IRS says there is no need to call. And joining us now is Dr. Cozette M, tax and accounting strategist with My Financial Home Enterprises. Welcome to BNC Now.
Thank you so much, Laverne.
We're glad to have you. All right, first of all, what's the first thing we need to know in order to get ready to prepare our taxes?
Absolutely. So Friday is the big day, folks, and we want all of you, all of our tax preparers, to make sure that you start to gather all of your documents, those key things, your W-2, your 1099, any interest statements. If you had daycare, make sure you have your identification. And of course, if you want to get direct deposit, we need to have all of that pertinent information, your bank account, your routing number. A void check might even help. We want to make sure that we can help expedite things and not further delay things as we've already been delayed about 3 weeks.
What about that $600 that some people got last year? Where does that factor into taxes for the 2020 tax year?
That is an excellent question, because as tax professionals, our phones have been ringing off the hook. If you received your stimulus package, whether it was the $600 or the $1,200 in 2020, and if you got some in 2021, then there's an opportunity for you to include that on your check, not that on your return, not that you're going to get that back. However, for those tax payers that did not get their money, then they have the opportunity to recoup that money when they file the return on what we call the recovery rebate credit.
So does that mean you're not paying any taxes on it?
That is absolutely correct. There's no additional taxes paid on that money that was granted to the taxpayers.
And the tax laws changed under the Trump administration from previous years. Do you think we'll see changes going forward? But as for now, we're looking at the changes that were made during the past administration.
Absolutely. I certainly believe that there are changes that will be made. As we know, we had changes as late as December 27th, which significantly caused the impact of us starting the season 3 weeks late, in addition to the fact that the Internal Revenue Service was already behind. If you are a self-employed individual, meaning you're a sole proprietor, an independent contract, a limited liability single member, then you have an opportunity to take advantage of the refundable credit, which is up to $15,110, if you can prove that you were impacted by COVID, meaning you or a family member, or if you had to take off of work, meaning, you're self-employed, JOB, or self-employed business, to care for your small children. Either they were not in daycare or either they were out of school for a period of time. So just as long as you have the sufficient backup and document to support that, then you're good. And I would say consult with your tax professional for more details.
All right, Dr. White, excellent advice. Thank you so much. We're out of time. We appreciate you joining us here on BNC Now.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.